TVJ sports cricket analyst Christopher A. Gale is questioning the lack of opportunities given to emerging Jamaican cricketers in this year's Caribbean Premier League. Speaking in response to a social media post from Kurt Mackenzie Sr., whose son represented the West Indies at the Under-19 ICC World Cup last year, Gale feels local cricketers are oftentimes overlooked by the Jamaican franchise. Here's Ronaldo Brown.
In 2019, former Jamaica Under-19 captain Romal Lewis was selected by the Jamaica Talawas along with Barbadian Shamar Springer. At that point, two other Jamaicans were selected during the draft, Javor Royal by the St. Lucia Zouks and Odin Smith for the Guyana Amazon Warriors. For this year's edition, despite Jamaica having two players in the Under-23 draft, only Javor Royal was selected by the Talawas along with Barbadian Nicholas Curtin, while West Indies Under-19 representative Kurt Mackenzie Jr. went undrafted. Mackenzie Jr., who made 99 against New Zealand at the Under-19 World Cup and was lauded as one for the future by commentators, was left disappointed and resulted in his father, Kurt Mackenzie Sr., endorsing a post from his agent on social media. The post pointed to the likes of Naeem Young, Ashmead Ned, Kevin Sinclair, Jaden Seals and Kimani Emilius, who were all players from the Under-19 World Cup, who were selected for their respective franchises. Cricket analyst Christopher A. Gale says it was an opportunity missed by the Talawas to expose Jamaican talent after Javor Royal was withdrawn from the squad after coming in contact with a confirmed coronavirus case.
Jamaica has been found wanting not just in the CPL but also as it relates to our national program. How do we allow these under-19 players to transition into the senior team? And I'm very sorry, I don't think we have been treating our under-19 players properly. I don't think we have put enough attention to them after they have gone through that under-19 phase, and I think it shows in our produce.
In the meantime, Talawas CEO Barbadian Jefferson Miller defended the decision to go with Curtin.
They were part of the group for the under-23, and we entitled to select two, and we selected two to complement the team we had. No, I'm not going to question what the management team did. Based on the information we had, that was the process that we went through, and I'm not going to question or, that was done, and that's behind us, and now we're looking forward to 2021.
With another Barbadian as head coach in Floyd Reefer, Miller was asked whether this influenced the decision to go with Curtin.
No, I'm very appalled that you ask a question like that. Come on, man, be serious. That question doesn't have any bearing whatsoever, or no merit.
And Miller, who made a presentation to Mackenzie Jr. in 2019 on behalf of the Talawas, says this does not put him ahead of other under-23 players.
Making a presentation to persons that is worthwhile of those presentations does not guarantee you a CPL contract.
With the absence of Royal, there were no emerging players from Jamaica for this year's Caribbean Premier League, while there were 5 from Barbados, 3 from Trinidad and Tobago, 2 from Guyana, and 1 from St. Lucia. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sports.